Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is job servicing. If you guys don't know what job servicing is, I will get into that and how you guys can actually get started with job servicing. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, if you guys don't know what job servicing is, it's basically like drop shipping, but with services. So you guys are basically the middleman of, like, let's say you guys are providing a service, and you guys are reselling it for like $200 more, all right? Well, $200, and you go and get that service for way cheaper, like on Fiverr or Upwork. So that's what basically job servicing. So like a lot of people actually do job shipping, which is like, getting for, like, for example, like if we go to Walmart right now, let me see if I could go to Walmart and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do this. Okay, for example, as you can see here, if you go to eBay, you guys can actually see that the twin size upholding is selling for $88 and $81, all right? But on Walmart, you could actually get the same exact price, the same exact thing for $73. So people actually drop ship through eBay and just basically do the same thing, just basically selling it for more. So they use eBay. But I'm gonna tell you guys how you guys can actually get started by doing this the right way. All right. So so what you guys want to do is actually go to Fiverr and just look up like things. But I suggest not for you guys not to get into, like, do not get the gigs on Fiverr. I actually suggest to get them from Upwork. But I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do your research on how to do this through Fiverr. So what you guys want to do is actually, if let's say video editing, all right? Video editing. Oh, sorry. All right, video editing. All right. You could literally check if these are actually going for a lot. All right. So let's say video editing, you guys can actually see how much they actually cost and see if they're actually going for that much. All right, so video editing, as you can see, they're going for 45, but you can see like examples, or to see which one is actually selling a lot, you guys could go to any of these, like digital marketing, writing and translation, videos and animations, music and audio, to see which one it is for good for you guys to do it. All right, and you guys can actually do this by going to keywords. Google. That's it. That's all you guys gotta do to go to Google Keywords Planners. Alright, so we're right here on the keyword planner. So let's say we want to actually go to app designs. Alright, we want to go into app designs. That's new. Alright, let's see how big the competitor is to actually see the app designs. Alright, so app design. Alright, monthly users is up to 9,000 and medium competition. Alright, which is pretty good, and you guys can actually see like the forecast. If you guys want to see keyword ideas, you guys could actually go to keyword ideas and see what others, like, let's say app design, and see how many other ones are getting into it. All right, app designs, get results, and let's see. All right, still the same 9,000, but there's other ones, low, medium competition. So if you can see the app design, you can actually create a website around that, a one-page website around that, and see how they get into. So let's see how we can actually do this, the app designs. Alright, let's see, they have a lot in Fiverr, and you can see they have it to 75 $2 to $5. But with this, you guys actually have to check their reviews. All right. So to make sure they have good reviews, like this one has 228, you know, ratings. So five reviews, and it's starting at $45. All right, which is pretty cheap to actually create an app. If you guys want to, basically the app design the way it is, the way, stuff like that. And some of them are 10, but you got to check the ratings out. That's what I mean. Check this one. Look, this one is at 4.9, and they have 322 reviews at starting at $15. So you guys could check them out and see, which one is, this and that. But like I said, I suggest you guys not to go through the Fiverr website, but you guys could. All right, I'm not saying anything bad that you guys could, but you guys can actually do that if you guys want to, or you guys could go to Upwork and check up for app designs. All right, let's see if they even have the app designs here. As you can see, they do have app designs, but they're going for more 75. But I suggest to actually go to the Philippines. A lot of people actually a lot of people actually use the Philippines because there's a lot of good workers out there in the Philippines. So I suggest if you guys are willing to do that, you guys could. I suggest to go to the Philippines because they're more there's a lot of good workers out there, and a lot of people actually use the Philippines for social media agencies, for virtual assistants, and so much more. So, and they're pretty cheap. So right here is $40 an hour, $35 an hour, 125, 50, 37.50, but 40, $40 an hour. But to create an actual app, people actually charge a lot more. Like, let's say for $1,000, people actually charge that to create an app design for $1,000. So let's say you have $1,000, and let's say you hire let me see which one. All right, this one's top rating. So let's go with this one, $37.50 an hour. So $37.50 an hour, and you guys basically, let's say he creates an app within 3 hours. All right, let's just say for 3 hours, and you charge someone. All right, let's say just to be on the safe side, for 5 hours tops. All right, so for 5 hours tops, you spend $1,000. All right, $37.50 times 5 hours. All right, that's $187. $187.50. All right, but they gave you $1,000 to do this. Take away, and you guys profit 112 and 50 cents. All right, which is not bad, but let's say it's still not bad. Let's say he does it for 10 hours, it's still not bad. All right, so you guys could actually do this and do it the right way, and just do your research on it. Like I said, you guys could to see which one is good and which one has low competitions, is actually go to keywords and see which one is actually high, which one is actually getting a lot of monthly searches, and the competitions. All right, what you guys want to go, it depends on how you guys do this, high, medium, low, it depends, but make sure that it's actually getting a lot of views. You guys could actually go to Google Trends and see what's trending on, what people are searching for, or you guys could go to asktheworld.com. All right, that's where you guys could actually go to do all this research. And the best way to actually get started with this, to actually scale this up, is to do Google ads. I don't want you guys doing I know with drop shipping you guys do Facebook ads, but people are not really gonna see this because you guys gotta create a website to actually promote your job services to get clients. All right, so you gotta create a one-page website. You know, you guys could use WordPress, you guys could use Contra, or one of my favorite ones to use is ClickFunnels. Yes, ClickFunnels is one of the amazing ways to actually go about this if you guys want to do jobs servicing. Yes, I am an affiliate for it, but I'm not just saying it because I've done lead pages, I done Build a Raw, and I done WordPress and stuff like that. So you guys can actually if you guys want that website up and running within 10 minutes, ClickFunnels is the best way to go. I'm telling you right now. That's why I switched over to. I used to use Builder, but I switched over to ClickFunnels because it's one of the best ones to actually get started with. All right, but if you guys want to take a 14-day free trial, click the link down below to actually create that website. So what you guys gonna need actually when building a website is just basically a domain about the product. Like, you know, if you guys are gonna do app designs, do something unique and make sure it goes with that service. All right, and you guys need somewhere to host your domain. All right, so that's what you guys need to get. And after that, what you guys need is to set up all your payment stuff, and that's how you guys could collect the payments when people pay them, and then that's how you guys could go to Upwork or to Fiverr to actually get the money. All right, and then you guys need an email autoresponder. That's what you guys need, and an email, a professional email, not at gmail.com. You guys do need a official Gmail, official professional email. Just like for my example, I have a professional email which is info@sergexclusive.com. So what you guys want to do is just put support or info at yourname.com, and just easily, you guys could easily get that. Especially GoDaddy, they give you guys promotions. I believe it's $25.99 per for 12 months. So you guys get it for a whole year. So you guys could actually start doing that. And the best part about job servicing is that you guys can actually test out more things than job shipping. If you guys are into job shipping and stuff, like, you guys can actually find out which one works out the most, because you guys don't really need to spend that much money on job servicing and stuff like that. You guys could easily do your research pretty quick on keywords planner, and then just go to Fiverr and check which one's trending and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. You know, I suggest for you guys not to actually go into logo designs, all right, because that's that's pretty saturated. But yeah, so you guys don't go into logo designs, but you guys could go to designs like podcasts. You know, people want to go to podcasts or Apple designs and stuff like that. You know, all this other stuff. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, if you guys want to get into what I do, which is affiliate marketing, I do have a free course. If you guys want access to that, all you gotta do is click the link down below, and you guys could get started with that. And also, if you guys want to join my free Facebook account, you guys can also hit that link down below. I'll have every link for anything that I mentioned in this tool, like the keyword planner, Fiverr, and Upwork. You know, I am not affiliated with any of these. But if you guys want to do your research, these are the three things that you guys are actually gonna need to get started to do your research on the job servicing service that you guys want to do. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.